Good morning and welcome to Storytime. I'm Miss Sharon and today we're going to do books about the alphabet. But first thing we're going to do is sing our good morning song. And to sing our good morning song, everybody has to stand up. Are you ready? Good morning, friends. What do you say? It's going to be a beautiful day. So clap your hands and stomp your feet and jump up and down and shake and wiggle and get all your wiggles out and have a seat. Our first book is called The Uppercase Trouble in Capital City. It's written by Tara Lazar, illustrated by Ross McDonald, and read with the permission of Little Brown Books for Young Readers. I was dozing in my chair when Question Mark barged into my office. He looked bent out of shape. "What's the matter, Mark?" I yelled. "Don't ask," Mark said. "I'll run out of ink. True, this town is full of questions. I need your help, and his help too." He grabbed exclamation to emphasize the point. Finally, Mark spelled it out. "All of the uppercase letters are missing." "That's impossible," I said. "This is Capital City." "Private Eye, you're the last capital letter standing," said Mark. I sat down. This was serious. If all the capital letters were gone, there'd be incomplete sentences dangling everywhere. The entire city would be thrown into chaos. Plus, I had to watch my step, or I could be next. I told Mark I'd take the case. It was tough catching up with all the types I needed to interview. Hyphen was busy dashing around town. Period was directing traffic. Ampersand was minding her P's and Q's. Apostrophe was gathering his possessions, and comma was dividing her time on a huge list of things. Luckily, the quotation twins were willing to talk. "Yeah, something's definitely up, besides us," they said. "But don't quote us on that." I needed a solid lead. I strolled into Cafe Uno. As it was now known. But my favorite waitress had been replaced by her little sister. She didn't look happy. "Why so low?" I asked. "B didn't show up for work this morning," Little B explained. "B is always the second one here. We don't know where she is." I was at a loss for words, especially words starting with B. "Here, B. Here. B left this," Little B handed me a slip from B's order pad. It was full of stars. Aha! A noteworthy clue. Sometimes asterisk gets mistaken for a star. So I questioned my old pal 8, who lives below him. But we came to a dead end. After a long day on the case, I sat on my stool and watched the sky darken. "Oh, B, where could you be?" That's when I noticed a faint glow coming from the old abandoned part of the city known as Cursive Loop. First thing in the morning, I took the train out to Cursive Loop. I circled the winding streets searching for clues. A cold wind whipped around me, and I began to lose hope. Maybe I needed a plan B. But wait, what was that? I picked up the paper trail, and there they were, high above on the movie marquee. "Gee whiz, what happened?" I asked. "Help," replied Gee whiz. Exclamation stuck us up here and then knocked over the ladder. "He promised to put us all in the movies," said B. "I always wanted to see my name in lights." Phew, I never thought I'd want to be a lowercase, said Gee Whiz. So exclamation was the explanation. Follow me, I said. Could he still be with question mark? I know those two spelled trouble. The Capitals and I barged into Mark's place just as I suspected. Exclamation was right beside him. You're no punctuation mark, I said. You're just a punk. Exclamation is crooked, yelled Gee Whiz. Lock him up and throw away the keyboard, cried B. Now, let's all calm down, I said. Everyone stop shouting. Exactly, exclaimed exclamation. I'm tired of all the shouting. Can't a guy get a little peace and quiet? I don't think he means you, I told the little P's and Q's. Capital letters are always calling me, exclamation said. Ha, yes, OMG, he yelled. They want me to join them, as if they aren't loud enough on their own. This was mind-boggling and ear-splitting. On the outside, I may look excited, but sometimes I need silence and calm. I want to relax with a good book, exclamation said with a sigh. I understood his point. I love a good detective story myself. I hear you loud and clear, I said. Sometimes you don't want to be big and brash, but you're too important to fade away. Huh, I'm important? Exclamation perked up. Sure, you're more than just a lot of noise. You're about attention, respect. In the end, you make a huge impression. You can be a straight-up, stand-up guy. Just then, the grammar police arrived. This is totally out of character for you, exclamation, they said. Come along, we've got to book you. According to the letter of the law, exclamation would serve a short sentence. Turns out that cooling off period was just what he needed. As for B, well, she's always been a star in my eyes. I had wrapped up another case, and I hoped trouble in Capital City wouldn't return. Uh-oh. Famous last words. The end. That one was pretty good. Did you guys get all the little cues and stuff in there? Okay, now we're going to sing the ABC song. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Good job. Okay, now we're going to read A Busy Creature's Day Eating. You guys see this? A, B, C, D, E. It's written by Mo Willems and read with the permission of Hyperion Books for Children. Ooh, apples, berries, cereal, donuts, eggs. He's thinking, what else can he get? Furniture! Oh my goodness, he took a bite out of the furniture. Gravy, huge hot sauce, halibut hoagie, ice cream, jacket, kilt, lunchbox, mayonnaise, napkin. Oh, uh-oh. I think he's got a tummy ache. Oh, potty! Oh, queasy? Oh, doesn't look good, does he? Oh, rice and saltines. Tea. Ugh. Vomit. Water? Oh, XOXO. Hugs and kisses. Oh, yawn. Zonked. The end. He had a pretty rough day, but he ate his ABCs. I thought that was a really cute book. Okay. Everybody knows Chicka Chicka Boom Boom, so now we're going to do Chicka Chicka Boom Boom on our coconut tree. And bear with me because sometimes my letters fall off. Ready? A told B and B told C, I'll meet you at the top of the coconut tree. Whee! Said D. Uh-oh. D. To E. F. G. I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom. Will there be enough room? Here comes H up the coconut tree. And I and J. Uh-oh, I put J upside down. Oh no. And tag along K. I don't know, this is going to be interesting. All the way up the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom, will there be enough room? Look who's coming. It's L, M, N, O, P. Oh. Oh my goodness. And Q, R, S, T, U, U, V. Oh my goodness. Are they all going to fit? Along with W, X, Y, and Z. Oh, the whole alphabet up the tree. Oh no. Chicka chicka boom boom. Oh no. Skittle scat scoodle doo. Flip flop flee. Everybody's running to the coconut tree. Mamas and papas and uncles and aunts hug their little dears, then dust their pants. The end. That one was really fun. Okay, our craft this week is a coconut tree. You can come to the children's department or the drive-through window and pick up your kit. You'll get letters, a paper towel tube, and some leaves. You cut them out and then put them on your tree. Then you have your own coconut tree. Thanks for coming and watching. Next week, we're going to be doing buttons with Miss Chris. Bye-bye. See you next week.